Hello, sweet little children. How are you all? I hope you all are good at your homes. Now, children, today we are going to do an activity in your I am an artist book. We are going to do an activity in your I am an artist book. Take out page number 16. You are going to do it with me. Take out your page number 16. See, there is a puppy here. Have you seen puppies? Yes, many people have puppies in their homes. They keep them as pet animals, or we must have seen it on roads. See, this is a puppy. Now, what we have to do? We have to paste papers. We have to paste pieces of papers in this puppy. Like this one is picture is giving like this. As it is giving here, we are going to paste it here also. See, there is a paper given. Which color paper is this? Yes, black color paper is this. So we are going to tear that paper from here and we are going to paste it on the puppy. Like we have to tear it like this, small pieces. See, like small pieces we have to tear it and we are going to paste it on the puppy as it is shown in the figure. I have tear some of the papers for you here. Now see, we have many pieces of paper here. Now one by one we are going to paste it on the puppy. See, first of all what we have to do? We have to put Fevicols. See, like this we will put Fevicol and we are going to paste one paper here also. Pick any paper, it can be of any shape. Like this we have to paste it like this, and more. We have to paste it here like this. Okay, now we are going to add some more pieces of paper. See, here we will add some Fevicol on it and then we will stick it one by one, slowly. Be very neat in doing that. Okay, I hope you all are doing with me. Now pick some paper here and paste it here like this. See, now some more. Which color paper is this? This is black color paper. Now we are going to paste it here like this. It can be of any shape. You have to just tear it randomly. Now one more here, one more is here we are, one more. Again, we are repeating the same process one by one. See how fun is this? Wow! Some more. We are going to take some more here. Yes. It's looking like there are black spots on the puppy. Isn't it? Yes. Which color paper is this? Black color paper. We are making black spots on the puppy. We are pasting it like this. See? Yes. Some more? Yeah, some more. See, here, like this. One more here. See, all of them have been pasted. Now we are going to press it so that it will become more proper. To make it more proper, more neat and more clear, we are going to press it like this. See, like this. Okay, I hope all of you will do this activity and will send it to me. Okay, we'll meet in the next video. Until you can prepare, you can make this activity, you can paste the papers here and enjoy. Okay, bye everyone.